Tired of your crypto sitting idle? Let's get it into your PayPal account, quick and easy. First, within your Exodus wallet, locate the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Tap the Send button. Now, head over to PayPal. From your account summary page, go to Wallet and click Transfer Money. From the option available for you to send or receive, choose the request from someone. Input your own email address which you use to create PayPal account. This will send an invoice for payment to you. Click Next. Enter the exact amount of USD you wish to withdraw from Exodus. Make sure to convert the amount you want to send to USD first, then click Request Now. You'll need a crypto exchange that links to PayPal, like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance. Log in or create an account if you don't have one. We are using Binance for this step. Navigate to the Buy Crypto section and select USDT. Choose PayPal as your payment method. You'll need to link your PayPal account if you haven't already. Copy your USDT receiving address from Binance, head back to Exodus, paste it into the recipient field. Now, enter the amount of crypto to transfer, and carefully confirm the details before you send. Double-check the address, complete the transaction in Exodus. Back on the exchange, once the USDT arrives, sell it for USD and then withdraw the USD directly to your linked PayPal account. And that's it. The funds should now be available in your PayPal account.